Hi everyone, welcome again, you all in the live session. So, in today's live session, the topic we are going to cover is we will be making the different shapes, and also whatever the shape you are making, you can explain like what shape is this. So, we will be making this on picto blocks, and I guess last game we made a mirror game you like a lot. If you don't watch the video for the mirror game, you can go and definitely you will like the tutorial. So let's begin without any kind of delay. I'm going to share my PictoBlocks screen. So as you all know, you all need to type pictoblocks.ai. You will get the link of this screen. I'm also sharing this link with you all in the chat box. So let me share. Yeah, in the chat box, you can find the link. So here we are going to make a shapes. First, let's understand the very basic of making the shape. How we can create any shape. As you can see, I made one square over here. Okay, I am making one rectangle. I am making one circle. Okay, so I have three shapes over here. If I talk about shapes, I can see that this is a square, and if I talk about square, I will look for number of sides. Okay, how many number of sides do we have in the square? Let's start the counting. This one is side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, and side number 4. For the square, the number of sides are 4 and all sides are equal in size. How? If I'm saying move forward 100 pixel, so this is 100 pixel line. After moving forward, see, my cursor position will be towards right. I have to look towards down if I want to make other side. So for making it down, I will take a turn. Now, this is a huge confusion for the students, and they forgot about how much degree turn they are supposed to take. What degree actually? Like I'm facing towards at the front. If somebody tell me that please take a turn, what I will do? I will take a turn this side. It means I look for this side, but I can look this much. I can look little much wide. I can look more. Okay. It means it has different degrees. Let me explain you by stop sharing. So suppose you are telling me, please take a turn or please look towards the right. So what I'm doing here, I'm facing. Now please look towards the right. I'm looking towards my right. More right, more, more. It means every time I'm changing my degree of turn. Exactly the same thing happens when we are talking about the shapes. Now, how can we calculate the turns? For the calculation, it's a very easy method. Suppose I have a square. I want to know what is the turn for the square. I will do 360 divided by number of sides. No confusion in this formula. Number of sides. But this formula applies only in case you have all equal sides. It means if you are having 100 pixel side, that means rest 3 sides should be 100 pixels only. Then only you can apply this formula. So if you do 360 divided by 4, you will get the answer, that's 90. If it is tough for you, a division like for the small kids, you can open new tab and type online calculator. When you open online calculator, you can calculate by writing 360. This is the division sign by 4 is equals to, you will get the answer 90. So let's begin with the code. First, I want the extension that will help me to draw a square. I'm taking a pen extension. So this is my extension. I will be taking a sprite that allow me to draw something. So I'm taking arrow 1 as a sprite. Now I want this arrow should be aligned properly. I will go to costume. I will minimize this screen with this minus sign. This arrow is on the mark. We need to check that it's on the mark or not. It's on the mark exactly, and it's facing towards this side. So we don't need to align it. It's absolutely fine. What next? The next thing is I'm moving this arrow over here. I will take when green flag click, go to X and Y. The position of my arrow will be this. Everything I will erase initially. The pen will be up. The pen color, I'm taking red only. Set pen size to 10. Not change. Set pen size. You will take. And that's okay. Now I want that this pen should be moving forward of 200, okay, 100 pixels. Let me try, but before that, it should be pen down. Okay, if I start, it moves 100 pixels here. I will change the size to 50 because it's very big in size. Afterwards, I want to take a turn. I want it should go down, so it's a clockwise movement. Clockwise movement is always a right turn. The degrees we know already. We will go to motion. We will take turn right towards 90 degree. If I run it again, it moves, take turn 90 degree. I want to see the differences. That's why I'm putting weight block everywhere. Now see. It's here. Okay. What happens is I did not take pointing direction. So the pointing direction for my pen should be towards right, like this way. Now if I run this, see, it was here, it moved forward, take turn. Now what next? It will again move forward, take turn. So I'm going to duplicate this whole code. I will not repeat this for 2 times, of course. I will run this code. Forward, take turn. Forward, take turn. Right? If the same code I'm repeating for 4 times, it means I will go to control. I will take the repeat block for 4 times. It will make a square for me. Let's see. Forward, turn, forward, turn, forward, turn, forward, turn. Right? This is a square. I want it will say for all the time that it's a square. If I run, yeah, this is a square. Now what I want next? I want to make some complex shape now. The formula should be applied for all the shapes will be same. So what I'm doing, I'm making one broadcast and I will make a new message is new shape. For the new shape, when I receive new shape, this cursor should move towards here. Okay. So what I will do? I will do pen up. Afterwards, erase all. After making a square, it will erase all. And it will say as well, new shape. New shape can be anything. We can define the name later. Now, after erasing all, pen up, erase all, it will go to the position it is right now. And this time, I want to make a hexagon, a shape that's having 6 sides. For this, pen size and that everything remains same. I just want to make a shape having 6 sides. I will take repeat block. Make sure the number of sides you will write on the repeat block while making the shape. So if I want to make 6 sides stands for hexagon. So I will be writing 6 over here. Afterwards, the same thing. I'm taking weight block. I'm taking move some steps. But this time I want it to be smaller in size. So I will take 50 steps. Again, it will wait. Now I will apply the formula. Let's quickly answer in the chat box. What will be the answer if I do 360 divided by 6? 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36 and 0. So we got the answer 60. Otherwise, you can open online calculator. All clear AC stands for, you will write 360 divided by 6. You will get the answer 60. So it's again a right turn. I will be writing 60 over here. Then it will wait for 1 second again. If I run, see. Okay, one more thing. For pen up, now it should do pen down after taking the shape actually. Okay. Let's run now. See, everything is very clear. So this is new shape, and the name of this new shape is hexagon. So instead of new shape, you can simply write hexagon as well. Okay. So I'm writing over here hexagon. Now I want to make this shape more complex. I want 5 hexagon will be in the circular arrangement. What I will do for that? First thing, I will remove the weight blocks because it will be very time taking otherwise. I'm taking only 2 things. I will set the pen size by 2, and let's see if I do this. See, it made a hexagon like this way. I will change the parameter of hexagon as 20. If I run, see, this is 20. See, on the big screen. First, it made a square. Going over here and made a hexagon. Now what I want that this hexagon will, I want to make 6 hexagon. So it will move forward. Afterwards, I will write the command in continuation over here. Okay. So it will move forward, like move some steps. So it's 20 steps. We need to write 20 only because it has to end it up over here. After that, it will take a turn, but it should be left turn, I guess. Okay. Here, we are not sure about the turn, how much turn we need to take. So, also, the number of shapes you are making here, you will apply the same formula, 360 divided by number of shapes. So how many hexagons do you like to make? Suppose I want to make 5 hexagon. So what I will do? I will do the same. All clear, 360 divided by 5. I got the answer 72 degrees. So I will write 72 over here. I will take weight block for you all so that you will be clear. If I click, I will take this over here as well. See, when I click on this only, what happened? You can see if I run it again from the beginning. So made hexagon and it goes forward and then it took a turn over here. Also, this set pen size should come over here. Okay. Now after taking a turn, I will make again a hexagon. So I have a command of making a hexagon. I'll do duplicate of this command. I'm putting it over here. Now, if I run only this much, see, it made one, then it made the second one. And the same thing it will follow. Again, move forward, again, turn left. Okay. So if I want to make 5, what I will do, I will take outer loop. This kind of loop arrangement we called as nested loops. This type of loop arrangement we called nested loops. Okay. Nested loops means one loop inside the loop. So there is one loop, it's a outer loop, and there is other loop, it's inner loop. Okay. The outer loop value we always write according to number of shapes. Means how many shapes you are going to draw. So I will write the number of shape is 5, and the same will be repeating. Now if I run 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got it? These are hexagon and it looks like a flower I made. So I'm removing these weight blocks just to delay this thing. Okay. After this one, what I want now that it should make one more shape that can be triangles. So afterwards, I want to make a triangles inside the hexagon. Let's see. For that, what we need to do? I will make 5 triangles exactly same. I'm duplicating this whole code over here, and for triangle, of course, I want to make 5 triangles, right? Because I want them to be inside the hexagon only. And it's not repeating now 6 times. It's a shape that we are making. So what changes requires? I will write 3 for the triangle. The number of steps is 20. That's fine. And the degrees now. So for the triangle, if I calculate, I will come over here. I will do 360 divided by 3. I got the degree, that's 120. So here I will be writing 120. The color I will be changing now. It should be something different. Let's take blue color, and the pen size, it was 2 before. I'm making it 4. Let's see what will happen. How? Oh, okay. That's wrong. 72 over here and 120 over here. I wrote wrong numbers. So when I do, got it? It's blue color only. Okay. It should be some different color. Okay. So now if I run this again, got it? This is my one shape. I'm removing this say block, and of course I need to overcome that. So I'm taking say blank for 0.1 second. Okay, so it will not say anything. Okay, the actually initial color I have not set. That's why. Yeah, that's absolutely perfect. Now what next is exactly the same way we are making the shapes complex. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll simply duplicate this whole code of command. I can pick different color. Suppose this time I will pick this, blue color kind of, okay, this blue color. And this time the size will be 7, suppose. And I would like to draw octagon, the shape that has 8 sides. Okay, so for octagon, what you need to do, you will write 360 divided by 8. You got the answer, that's 45. So here you will write 45. Here you will write 8, because 8 times, here it will be 5, because I'm making this in the same arrangement. Degrees and move steps remain same. Nothing will change. Now, if I run this code, see, ooh, that's cool, right? So these are the octagons we made over here, right? So actually, what is the final output we have? If I run, you can make different shapes, and you can also give them the name, like this is the square. Now this you are making the octagon, hexagon, triangle combination, and it's really good flower, right? Let's make a square as a, oh sorry, let's make a circle as the outline. But for the circles, it's actually taking a lot of time, but it's all right. Let's make over here. So the outermost line I'm going to pick is black. And the pen I will take as 6. And 5 times it's going to make, for the circle, the code is that something is repeating for 360 times. It will take 1 step and 1 degree turn. This is actually the code for the circle. And for making 1 circle, it will take 20, 72. Chalo, this one we will check. See, start making a circle. Oh my God, that's a very big circle. Now this is 1 circle. This is the second one. Actually, the circles are taking a lot of time for drawing the shapes, right? So actually it's going to the edge, beyond the edge. So what I'm going to do, I can reduce the number of steps. So 0.1 or 0.2, let's say. So if I do 0.2 circle, let's see how wide it is. Okay, this will be this much. So 0.2 to ज़्यादा कम हो गया. That will be 0.5 we can have. And the degree I'm increasing as 2 degrees. And let's see the final outcome. So this was your 1 circle. Actually, I took 2 degrees now for 360 times. So that's why it's like that. You need to calculate. So this time it's not 360. It should be half of 360. You will write 360 divided by 2, because you give 2 degree turns now. So it should be 180 times. Now, if I run this code, Okay. You can even make it more bigger in size or any different size or inside, whatever you wish for. And see, the circles are also done, right? So everyone, this way you can make the complex shapes. Why it is important for the students to learn, as I got a lot of queries that this is not really important for students, they are just doing the drawing. So, parents, please try and understand these are not just the drawings, these are the concepts that will make your things more logical, that will make the student brain more logical. You know, when he or she is going to apply the design, they will take the interest as well. They are working with the code. It means they are working with the loops, they are working with different stuff, different things, and they should identify the thing. Okay, now where is the position, where it has to go, what kind of loop we have to take for making these kind of designs. So that will make your concept so clear in terms of mathematics. Believe me, it build a lot of improvement for the students. So yes, do try different shapes. As like if you are going to try the complex shapes, you can definitely go with that. Keep practicing, keep learning. Every Saturday we are live, so keep watching, and we'll meet you soon in the next live session. Till then, bye bye, and check out our previous video. If you wish for any kind of course, you can definitely opt. We have all type of courses. We have a lot of trainers that can guide you, that can train you. And yeah, for today, bye bye. Happy learning.